Ma, oye sure so wo school no oye drama. Na seni osi be ye n'anim ewo wo mo ho no. Chese ase wo mo down mani a na wo mo kwaje wo sika wa account no. Nurse for ni bi so e de omo nsa gu omo nsa yem se kufa do mfo mo bo ne nche wo mo. Na no mu nim ni sei. A man for actual vindication is definitely in the womb of time. Anesi for no yentie wo mo. Ya yentie wo mo kakra.
What was what school no drama? Honorable Intaka, Problem Itakando, Mr. Timuso, what school no drama king. Or it's my movie. You did not collaborate, Lewen near Jacqua, or a very masterpiece. Just a big blow baby. Oh, the original how your aunties be. I say, as why I am what was a politician. Why, yes, I'll bet I was Lebra. What about time? Yancho can't go here. Can't go here. Can't go here. The problem I want about Bra, me a national service. But Amada, me travel somewhere so paya, Sikana, and as I post me 10 months, Missy Sama. I and your waba, what's in the unknown chia, my controller to Missy Karobi Anje, name of Ministry of Health for when I was motivating me biometric, me chakwa, Ministry for Snabros, how we're so sharing me and him, and a coprinty way, me printing in but in a Missicana. Media what's not saying I posted me 10 months and saying Chiamica. Now, some mistake and national service, no, any panagia, Yamiba Suyanica, or
from a rural constituency. So I have constituents who are going through the same ordeal. I have family members who are going through the same ordeal. But not yourself. The truth of the matter is that we inherited 13,500 of you being recruited without any financial provision. Please listen to me carefully. Now, as I speak to you now, we have collaborated with the Ministry of Finance. And please listen carefully. When it comes to issues of salary, the Ministry of Health then collaborate with the Ministry of Finance.
The alkaline drinking.
Now, out of the 13,000...
This is Siano, my baby for me, Mama Quababy. It's a quabram in Takando 1 day. And I know be or quay a year seen posture yet. And there were a humble lion. No one more be Cassaswa, most also say, Nahumbra Siane Brosso. Or your drama. It's 1 person, Georgia.
Nurse ni yo kasa yo trendy pa from Enra. Edi bisi anope wa trendy. Omo mudina tem.
Omo kebi sympathizing with empathy.
Yes. One another girl be ono so.
The share white no.
Na ase osuan.
I only osun.
The rent is soon August.
Now, if you will be sana also all pantan or yeah, Juma Kolebu.
Also, faka 42
CDs a day.
And son or Juma. And I contact say, make it always uncle we shoes more. You should understand. Yes, ebia okasa mane traso. Okasa ekwechiri. Ebia okasa mano ye day and no yes. But I contact. Oya Juma 10 solid months and utie ni ncheche mu na.
Ono de o se ne national service kra sika ma o.
Sika ma eno twa kwan wo baby a ogina ne saa
for months o man fi no.
Controller for ka che ne se usika no eda ho uhia activation keke
from Ministry of Health.
Akuta nipa na eye o.
Ai.
Nipa na eye.
Wantia.
Mo. So unti o se eti
nipa ni activate man.
Nipa ni bias. Yes, wakasa manatra so wakasa minister ye comedian and obetima ye acting near the day. Yes, bakota you see
woka ni bre
bibi anko kapa pa
woka ni bre
woka eduru baby a akota you see ya to omayimu a ubekom na akwala we kwan ofa so pa odinya sa posting a ya postu no na nya asem ketwa
awantia yemfa
mo ebia
8,000 7,000
ebia kwita
na eno na yawe sase we asante me pese mu boa me o paper we kuta me on yaw ya afatom so paper yi the heading no ye Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service, Human Resource Manager, dear Mary Kusi,
financial clearance.
You have been appointed as 111 grade 111 with P number 11111, beginning your employment on the 4th of October 2025. Signed, Head of Human Resource, copied Ministry of Finance, Controller Accountant General, Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service. Sakratana yaw. Me ye nurse ni e de ma me no. Eye legit. But ultimately, very legit. And yet I paid a certain 8,000 and sana minya kratawi. And the human resource manager is telling me, say onimoshe.
Number now munya sebutum.
Debi asanto de me teacher Nina ye fa na juma okwa do ba wura akwotira de no. Otia 8,000. Minister of Education, Head of Human Resource assigned. Minister ni mubi, obia ni mubi. And yet they are telling me say ni obina oye deal. Na omo penifo no na de nsansa say oni mo hwe. Na de nti ya wuru enim fasoro.
Anadwuma na semisi.
Mo na mo hye na mo agent. Aye deal. Anano na say Ministry of Education Sembi Anameti. Omo kwaji clearance ebu 2,000. No, penifo na che. Yaw, omo kwaji clearance ebi 2,000 free Ministry of finance. Na opemu na fa be 1,000. Na oma che. Na omu cha. Se Ghana Education Service Director ebi ane de 200. Human Resource need 100. No ma for omu boys. No ma TSC. Etu ebi awo ye agent. Na wo so have a sub agent. No ba. O pese me bo out there, mama 10,000 maybe. Ni body tia. Ni letter obenya di adanse se afa na djuma no. E legit.
Yeah, original from the
from so ni wa ye tia the cabo so me.
Na o ma Rosemba kunu se obu wo mpo a.
Na esi Ghana na ye tete adu.
Teacher na ye fa na djuma enu no so.
Enu no so
emu first 2020 no. Ono ko 2022 go wa tua.
Ono no ye bia 2021. Otifie na 2022 no ya rope the in.
Because ono no nye sika timi kokotua.
Okotua.
So but we
mutu all technocrats and the omni politicians no ye Canada. Because the politician who went for the clearance. Maame tete ne ba man kora ne wie sukua. Ansa no benya djuma ye no just a maame no kope bosia 10,000. Bosia wo pa ye nyina de ehwa akwala no anso. Aban na djuma. Omapedi John Mama ewo na hye na dankoko na hye. On the onim se wa ye education minister. Wa appointed director general. Na omo mo enya omo ho tam. Na muti o national security ade we yaka ho asem saa
na placement here kosui wo ho ya santo 10,000 abruges 15,000.
Can you imagine
na nipa no oje ya aso na e do kosku mu
uti aso a obenya
so say there is no is
na penifo ya tapa for
placement bi problem bi ho bi ada na mtrumu ode ne sa
da konta nika sem so ne se omo omunya political appointment no mo call ya abro so 2-3 months na ne salary ni bibia abawo omunya political appointment e bia ya appoint to say bia ko e bia department we koye PRO co-department we call
salary aba
human resource persons ne ade no omo ko a abro so abe 2-3 months na omo
watch 2 months na even 2 months no cry out allowances be suma omo
suma ko si se o full salary ne ade
ade animal farm na mo de ati
wa nurse ni wa fa teacher ni wa ye adwuma for a year wa ye adwuma 10
busumi du
o se de na
ade enkwa
capture na validation na wan mi wa na nipa no me ye 13,000 13,200 e ba ne say na be say is it say 6,000 was say 6,200 mutumi verify omo etia omo ka na 7,000 na ka echendie
mutumi verify e dey omo tukai
the same process now mo for nipa 13,000
nipa re ho sad enkwala ikosko a etuni eno na ma o we don't see the social decadence of it all some young boy na me SHS na be ko technical tertiary na ma ko teacher training ko nursing na me be 3-4 years na me hu se galabi ko tontokroma wo se me nko
na enya sa wo man teacher for nurse for PT fie omunya adwuma ye ntigala na omoduru ase
yes
omo train placement
omo ye bi e dey train placement
na waka kire me se enfie 9 mitifie etimi trafie na me wo me frama wiabo
na we school
ma wie school eti won say ni nua ketewa bi a ono anko bi no e no na hye no
na otwi pragea
eti wo bu
girls esi a mom twi pragea no ja man for girls
ni nua bi a e bi ono na
pragea ni sika wo
adwuma bi otwi de ka bi ni ade no ono no mo
pragea for ni ja man for girls but pragea for no
da bi a ye dro no
assemblyman kasotie assemblyman ma chen Honorable Samuel Ayele. Honorable Mache. Why?
Kaseti ho.
Honorable. Nipa nsia na akoto galamse amrema wuo. Omo na egu ho no.
Omo chimo nipa be 28 na ka amrema ni mu.
Ena omo timi yi ena nsia na ewu.
Omo yi 8 ni bi na 8 ni mu be 4 as 6 ewu. And you be that so amrema ni mu omo.
Ah, just say that tone keeps rising.
It cool definitely.
Okay. First, yem shesi benya Honorable Samuel Ayele. Honorable Timinka. Hello. Mommy ni enkomo. First what nche. Ya mabusuan yakọ. Na ko pe bibia bedina.
Ni me na o ma yenkomo wudi ye na eya. Ayifu yi. Na kufo no su busa nti omo so omo na ma sin de ende.
Oh, na ko de je se bia minim se nyame ya adom na se e bia ba o mea so omo to abama na 2028 o timbe ya da bia o ba bia na your mama na ego tia na kufo sika munda ayeka
na man so no
yaw
na man so ka se sika da mo ka se 3 billion da ho
kwaku
frota be ka kire yen
kwaku asante ye boy wo ye legitimate kra wo ye duly employed 10 months into anika wo 9 months ayede policy bi ba ya ban policy a napko na me napko hwane
na me ka no se
ko ya mama bambui ebe ka 3 months kra na yeko
2 months kwa na o ka wan sem
me say abrante na omode ne tu ho no afi no ayire free Ghana Dr. Anya asase hwan no
Anya asus
wo re no kra wo hunu wo ba o office ko no akoyi Sam mrante na omo bo doctorate to mako gugu ho no oh Ghana ho ye mistake bi obi ko sua dia no bo doctorate no nya bo ne doctorate pe yes wo nyansa
se as experience ni ho afa na oba
yes wo nyansa ho
awota okra de odi akọ akiri obi okabrofo bi Ghana fo fi so ni nyansa
oh yes
obi a okabrofo se no bebre ne
okay
onenimade
apostolic papa bi
sofo no
what's sad na na Dubai and a risk any
no boy awota sana da Ghana fo ti obi okabrofo
people think say okabrofo onim nyansa
ya dwene ye say onim nyansa we nyansa fo
Honorable Samuel Ayele bi mache
Ya jo miura.
Na mpom te say.
Pacho nyame adum pa pacho na muso.
Na dia na esi wo mpotamu a atama ahye sa no.
Miura medase ne otiefo nyina. Me kum kasiti aya me pese so na anane 2 days am say yante asamde wo ni ane say openi bi a wo ye mining e wo kru mu obeto farmland ana wo ye no mining nti wo ye no am say ne braso na asase a woto ye no aso nti aya sa no ana ye me as assembly member ni nyinu committee for ne nanamo tenase ne afre ne say sie de wagima wie ni de ya pese o kata wa me na ansa na wayi machine na afri kru no openi jitum ama anane 3 days wakofa doza edeba say o de bakata amena no nti oba ya no na kromofo boys ne o ma mo wo hoye galamsi abla na wo ye adwuma no e ka say wo mo mpene ema wonka amena no so nti oye sa na kasa ba mu ama o mo ba me ho be ka say na boys ne ka na o mo mpene nti mi koyo kwafra boys no ama me ne wo mu nyina kasai ama ebi mu tiase but o ma ntiase no aka say o mu de o mu ntie ana o mo gusu ekoye adwuma nti o mu koye adwuma na we ne de manko ho na nyumire ana am say ebi mu sade mirika san koye say anese sade a say wa ba pam say yemfiri ho na o mu kata me na ebi mu edi na ebi mu sundidi a o mu so ye de entene fie nti o mu koye na mpeyimfo bi san ba say ona bo wan kwa me na no aye sede omutura ase no enya nti midimilika san ko ha nyumire no kwafre omu san ka sese amena no enya nti mumpie emfiri amena no na de moya no enya kura eyewuo ana musum fidie ema mo ho nti eya sa no ema me no omukasa ya no omu ya sutie ni de omutimi firi ho adade na anyumire no eba fie bet omu ya soden no me de me firi ho ama omunyina oma mutie ni ba fie oma mutie ni sugusu ya adwuma nti me beduru ya ebo be 26 ana omo etiam se amena na abu ato musu nti aya sa no obia dimirika ana me dimirika koduru ye omo na omo gina ho omo ye eye witness na ka kirem se amena no bu ye no omo susu anase omo gidie mu na anase omo hwe omo ana omo wasa side no omo nam nipa be 13 to 16 ana amena no bu omo so ya sa no me frɛ adwumafo ni nyina ka kyerɛ sɛ me sra mo fa mo machines no bɛboa me na yɛntimi yi omu saa anra no ana nwumire no nti ya bo mode ya na jona bɛ 826 ekopem anopa 240 something ana ya yɛtimi yɛ nipa 8 na nipa 8 na yɛnya omu no emu 4 efrimu ana phone yede omukọ ayarsabia anajona nti aya sa no isuo so ta amenanu mu na isuo no so aye bebre yentimi enye ekese ye pump yede machine atwi isuo ni nyina san yetimi achimu asan ato aso nti aya sa no ya maade achi ebo ba 5 ana mesanya ne nyane adwumafo no ane omamu ye operators nyina so omuma yansa nkoto adwuma no so na yanhwe kwan pa ba fa so ebitimi agi omu afri bebi a omu wo no nti ya asase anura no pa ne twinsuo na eboba 9 ana asase yi ya ne asantima yi 3 ana sisia na anu ayakase eboba 4 no achese ya hwemu nyina achese oma omuwo mu ne wagidie se ebeye se anu anu nti anwumire ni mekọ ananse ko kan se omumwa na wa onim se ahoho bi atu fie anase obusie ni bi wo ho wan hunu na wa ba ba kyira odi na yasan akoto asene ehu kan pa ba fa so ebehu oma omo enikro no nti announcement no bepem ananopa obi amba ye say na busheni bi ani o nti ayasa no me wogide say e kire say obi ani amena no
pa cho ado samuel miensa na mu yi wo mo no wo mo tiase ana mo so awu
anana anajo no ye 8 ana 8 no so no 4 ana awu
na baja say
na no ayasa yi 3 no so awu
okay na say si adipa nson na wo ma hwere wo mo nkwa
onipa nson na afre wo mo nkwa ana ayasa no so wo ma yede wo mo kwa yarsabia no aso yasanya ba ko kan ho no so aprapa ana yɛde ɔno so yɛde ɛkɔ ayaresabea because ɛyɛ saa no baako na wɔsɛ amena no mu nti ɛtumi yi ɔno nti ɔno so ɛkɔka ho na ɛyɛ 12 nti 12 no nipa 5 ana wɔwɔ ayaresabea na 7 afiri mu.
Okay. Na yɛsɛ nka the ɔyɛ small scale mining ni deɛ ɔde pɛpɛ bɛkata amena no so.
Aha.
Ana bɔtɔ no akaka bensɛm ne ade na ɔmo so ɔmo mpene. Ɔmo di deɛ wi a wɔn kɔ no ɔmo so ni ɔmo deɛ.
Sa pepepe.
Okay. Medasi anopay.
Mr. Medasi pa.
Yeah. You see? Nipa 7.
Na no mete se na is it Kofi Kapito anaso obi ebusa se na Kofi Kapito mo ani obi a na obusa se anyim no kane no ayi Fred Amugi.
Yeah, Fred Amugi.
Fred Amugi, a Ghanaian celebrated actor. No, because I say, the Galamsi are ye insu, ye forest, ye quiet near the other. Send ye ni susa. Near an animal cabby betray say assassin, and insu, and a cassibi baby a choir. I say to me or hono. Because I say out to me, and that's so Tiasiana. Out to me, and that's so.
Colana neutralizing. O mama na abos me wonsuo no kra o matukwan o yaw o matukwan o chese eye Jimmy of the highest order hwe ya Grace mama video bi a Roman father bi ema an analogy we ye Galamsey a Baptist church a woman so akwesi so.
I've been on this
and our future. There is a house and our future. There is a house. You are staying there with your parents and you have a borehole and people come and fetch. But people who come and fetch, some particular people have decided that they will come with poisons in their buckets and fetch into it, and you are the same people also drinking the same thing. You have found out that these people are putting poison in your borehole. You complain to your father, and your father says, those people give me some small allowance, so you drink the poison like that. And your father says, I can't do anything about it. Then you continue complaining, and he says, continue drinking it. Maybe next year by this time, we will no longer be here, so you continue drinking it like that. Will you continue drinking the water? No. How will you feel about your father?
Wanting to kill you.
He's a wicked person. That is what our politicians are doing to us. This Galamsey that is going on, if you knew how our future as humanity is threatened, you will not be sitting down smiling with these politicians. And somebody had a gust this morning. He's called that if we stop Galamsey today, some MPs will lose their seats. And so he actually shouted that we will not stop Galamsey today or tomorrow because we will lose our seats. And we are there smiling with them. That is the highest form of genocide and wickedness. And Catholics, we are quiet. Let us do something. Even if I'm not calling for riot, but post something every day. Show your displeasure because our leaders are failing us. This is the highest form of wickedness for a father, for leaders to tell their children to continue drinking poison. And imagine if your father told you that you children drink the poison, okay, me, I drink bottled water. That's another level of wickedness. And children of God, we are quiet. No, we cannot continue like that. Let us rise and let our leaders know we've had enough. This is what I tell you. Post something. React to something. Let people know. Let us not dress ourselves in party colors and pretend that it will not affect you and I. It will. It will. Our lives are at stake. So the person will lose his political seat. But for my mother in the village, she should lose her life because somebody wants a seat. That is wickedness.
When you know TV, So ye say ye magalam say no eye barrier. You be lose a seat. In the name of seat losing, people should die.
In the name of onono chop money, in the name of onono ne bread and butter, in the name of nipos obedi honorable. Oh,
me see where you Baptist, Manso Akwesisu. I sorry that I know. Mude ya mude muntie. Ma the background my commentary kakra wati.
Akwesisu Baptist Church. Na show. I sorry that ho. And then crofo adi gala. Be chremo gala I sorry that Baptist. I sorry that we the convention branch. Bahwe. Gala. Eye nsuo na ayiro. Eye gala. Omo di gala echire ho nyina kwa asase na nyina eye gala ohwe.
Na wo di akola kwa asori no opie no betomu e.
Sorry da. Gala.
Wo
Galamse. Manso.
Ombe ye program.
So Akwesisu.
Asori we so mutum. Because omo betima oho na nsuo kura ato na ayira fa ho. Che chire ho no. Gala no. E gura di nyakopo. Wait, do my hine say hello. Wait, a man penny for say ye nurse because nsuo na yaw wo mo nom no Manso Akwesisu no politicians no mo nom bi o mo nom bottle water se see a mercury ni cyanide afa nsuo nyina o ama komfo anoche hospitals akese e catch us say ye won kola na the deformity they are seeing now with the crofoma no omo nu ba bi e free ba but research has shown say cyanide in mercury no woman no mti kola na omu free enkrase ebe wo no omu be wo no deformity no has started increasing ebre bi na Manso wonom na yade bi a emu so fe no buruli osa
yes
ena na nka ho ensem wo ho buruli osa ko now Galamsey ama wo no obi ebe wo no na naso aka half na kola na kuma entimi develop yi. And we sit in this nation and we are telling ourselves, say, hey, normal. Me party. Or me party banti ondi galanon say. Hey, Radi Ghana for ye Jimmy too much. From your penny for me to serve you. We are so stupid and money has blinded us to the point, say, we can't even realize, say, we are killing our brain cells. We are destroying ourselves.
He or she doesn't care. The answer when yes can you celebrate no.
Asante.
So he's skinny.
Sada na ya discussion wa must say knowledge o esika no. Omunye sika na ye chen bibia.
No, and yes omunye sika asante.
Sika no
they were
money at all.
Makodi gala. But say me wo me means am dey ya adwuma awrade ehwe me.
No so say me means no. O ka me omunti o. We this now we might say to you. A soldier for kwa now. Police for kwa bobu. Ya bo man ko for blue gate for yi. Be minister na mu konante wa. Ade ba chi na hu hanu afiri ho. Enti hin for pa na Galamsey o maso.
Asante de yenya kasa. Na yenya yanka kire say ye mai ho the next time ye nyina.
Because me dwene ho a oman. Soldier for. Hey. I know a soldier for we are good.
I'm here.
And because some say no way soldier new baby.
The moral decadence now is
going everywhere. No institution is
soldier ni no neka ebo soldier ni ebuo ni die bata no no. And no na call Galamsey side ko ji black. I'm here kochi no.
Oh my.
Ajakunya wo.
We wickedness at the highest level. Wickedness. And I think that a brass was seeing in a see a failure minor. And me, first of all, I mean, shall see. Say, oh, my own say, I buy baby no so be dear sassy, as he school die, I develop as he hospital. First of all, and I don't need to come coin. Told that chromo to me, but to go. say one faka krama me to ha me enye yi, which of course nananom to me argue with them no ma GBB answer na ma shase. How comes this will be ba be say we should do asase a yen to me and deny safo
she aguna kwanyako 2024 is you any 2025
yes
and you say we any why year pepe where aguna kwanyako water treatment plant you're shutting it down because this is what has become of the water.
Yes.
And I'm for them penny catcher say galamsey and new baby you be declare state of emergency. The ocean will TBC. It is your way. A bad day na gather water to make treating your way am one. She way granny see and tell you. 2024 no. Yes, you not say they need to say no. Yes, I say Tino. Nana to declare state of emergency. Every before I gala say or minor. Yeah, about 2025, this is the state of water. And you are telling me, say, a new bed. Are they? Ghana for are they? So, in the name of goodwill, Intino. My parents, your mama, I hear no person show you draw and son of who say. And that Oshia stakeholders in we are. No much church or man we are, and show any better on.
Yeah, the acquired drinking.
Yeah, so for us, I'm not kind of it sums up. Obidi, poison, a good bucket to move sense you. Well, may catch us say, you will, was for my baby kakra. And that is what the president told us. Say, a bear say, about in so for crab a fat, ye gold. Now, they see a crowd here, mining, ye until we are earning. Hey. Hey. Gold board and then Matthias yes abedinya. Because in our quest to amass our gold, Yama says companies sikase omo to gold. Omo bia ni omo to gold na enye kalamse for gold no moto. Why are we behaving like we don't know what is happening? Some companies now license so omo to gold no. Omo to no Togo. Womo to free galamsey for no $6.3 billion na yenya no yenya because ya talk galamsey gold small scale miners for no galamsey for no nya gold chen womo ade aban ba ya why you say oma obi license kudos wapamo womo forest na free ho but enketu ade no ya bo amabe se enketu ade no womo ku ye chen bibia
forest no man yes 9 and no free mu there was about 37 to 39 for reserves omure mu
the imagine
9 more almost 30
e ti aka say
30 28 and 27 more
that's so
asante now
and asante at one point in time there was who say we are in an emergency now.
Oh my, me pacho, me the me question. State of emergency declare ni say. Monchire me now we dey meet me declare. He declare ni say ni declare.
Abaika say.
Yen chero say.
Na
we bet me declare.
Madam. Assembly ni say. O minor bedroom chiri ya. Say one ma asrafo.
And you say your friend me question emergency.
Tie me. Asante tie me. Asrafo.
Akota for COVID.
Any
example. COVID time say who dey cause.
COVID.
Yes,
president declared state of emergency and told us to go.
No, me say COVID no
out of control.
COVID say Matthias me out of control aban say afodi I agye the same. Enti yema soldier for no. And I dey onye say nyekuma say nkan.
Ante wo se me nkyira de me nya kura du ba bia wo so asoma.
Debi me ntia
say e ba sa. Ye gi nipa a wo mo won potem ho no fa ahode free won sem. Enu nti no ebi abosomi mienu ni. Wa wo be pie ye be hu 100 meters away from kwaye we ye be kum.
Ye be boat you.
Okay. Wa wo be nyamran sem say wo be ko 50 meters ye say 100 ma no ye be kum. De etoso mienu. Ade biara na wo ya na emrama wo kwan say ye no. Samre we enam sa bia ye dru nti wuntumi nye bio. amafo sem omu ka nyina de na omu ka che na do say forest reserves will declare state of emergency. Declare state of emergency on our river bodies. Declare state of emergency on certain lands eye madia ne ade essential. Yankasa on declare state of emergency wo Ghana na ye ho Kumasi aye ndi Ghana no ye nkoda.
Dabi.
Enti key areas.
Even corona ye no.
For almost 5 consecutive years. Boko unim sika ye twakwa hose ye de kwakwa ye peacekeeping oboko. Boko for yetimi mo da e bia 3 months na curfew da ho. Woma wu. Boko for na mo no se sia no. Yeah, declare curfew no. Don't they go about their duties? Only that certain restrictions are going on. Now the kum dipa. And nipa enu nsu a onim de beto no dache no. Musi ye nu ho. Na mom. Yemfa ways and me. What is the ways and means? Blue water guard and fear. And a mano galamse for nyenye mo no.
Mehu kwan a fa so a
Jesus Christ.
Motimi afa so a yes a event state of emergency and deep ebedi makotene pa ye asrafo.
And this time around Asante.
Asrafo Ghana for.
Mama ka sem chiro. Say ye ka say declare state of emergency. Wo military man na wo ko ho no. Wo di agro a wo kra de betimakum. Where it becomes a martial law bill. This time around, some military man now also on corner. This time around, and you can't say
black
inspectors in sergeant for Neko. This time around, the commanders who are of integrity. Asante. Enyama ekoso no my friend niagro my stre yeah what's my woka nyina ko wie say asoja for so na dey him that be so asem asoja for na echi wo mo no kono ko find wo mo rank am kwala de wo form ho no when we declare state of emergency chief of defense staff takes over and certain high ranking officers takes over. We don't have the political balls, and the reason is young Crawford MPP do maybe a G almost now MPP 4 and then dig Galano.
So we take over.
And as I see NDC 4 by almost His Excellency the President knows this is say name Crawford reports no national security informer no. I don't know mubesa mo yet send the munim de ekoso. They know.
It's a event state of emergency.
Omo betra TV so no maka this is a distraction. Say me wa hanom na me hu so bi e galamse ni ade. NDC nim ni yonko NDC ni esi all forest. During MPP time no munim. Ade.
O man say no. The me can say water bodies ensure.
I don't know Jimmy e ho sa.
Kabran fia champagne ne say ye dete ne so.
Unam kwan so a champagne no ye moldy ye enkrofo di gukwa ho ton essential eti aban pedifo huni say the means to distraction no enie
isin register kwana say yes
and Jonah Galamse excavators enam wiem ukobisa mo say the tracker bo ho
oman me say Eastern region dey say baby won want to make di ama akwan no
Asante Eastern region dey all the kwachi wow kwan
o da bi o we ademra
ebuakwa edikosi ademra edikosi mfensi any sabronum
mfensi ya
me ofa so recently
akota kosunya
kakra ehonum mfimfi kakra no akota oto ani hwe left oto ani hwe right say ohun se omu di wura kwan
say they say be anobe
ohun se omuti afro ni mu a omu di ba omu wura asase na se and a kwan so no say ya na essay na cars no ekoba sa
between Reverend Obi Hokopim hono because of Galamse ni won sa kwan no omo ya said then na say
left and right you know
yes Ghana penifo omo ya wudi for keke
you know ofen no e sha say
omo ya wudi for keke
akota na ejakon ka sembi your politicians na start ya dey bi no mo start ye no ye fa na agro ahemfuni bi nye papa ahemfuni bi say and the aba bedu ne o mo start say o mo gi tumi a na wa hemfo no ho
and
e de afiri omo
even
nsam
asofo so they started attacking
almost started
the clergy
almost started asofo ahemfo opinion leaders here na
come no atum
mo almost started saade no enu nti so obeka ya kane na bia nananom otumi se abrantie bi anase obi da subambo ne bi adi e wo ye community a nanatumi sama no ene ye de ne kwa ahemfie okwa ahemfie a e bia ye wo eka bi asotwe bi ne ade ade ede be ma no satumi ni gina
go Supreme Court ever Supreme Court rule say no chief can sanction anybody or call anybody one kwa when you need to your head
eti akota ye start
Supreme Court for the
almost start saade ne ba ya no mo de aba na
you see
okay a edru ba bi ema we de me boye already de akasemu came for district assembly laws no almost san no ema representatives are na hemfo no e de call omo yi ama ne be ka se yemfo ohini bi amfa nipa baako
ema yewura bu
fu man hini a anasa wo ye like ohinkese a fa nipa
ema yewura kasem
ema yewura e withdraw that time na or the apega hene ene your friend say ananta hene ene na ahemfo be fight say
o withdraw mo nyina so mo mai
okay me ono me yes da bi asese de manhia betimi di nipa amna na sesa manhia betimi di nipa ba ko no se ne o mo ba be dey
o withdraw mo nyina
pay me assembly no e wo ebi assembly members be 20 na me di nipa ba ko hene ba ko ba e di assembly impact mo no
ye to abakro mebu afa no so
mo bebu afa no so ntia ne me withdraw nipa mo mfoma de akota point e ba bedu ye na politicians no o ma na anwene ho se ye be kwa koduru ba bi a
ye be hia
ahemfo no se enka ba bi a ye duro yi akota ba bi a ye duro yi na no na Danko Akufo-Addo be share House of Chiefs ebra no ye president e Kumasi no o ka kire that day na meti ye kura se Ghana mremu no ye nsase ye wo nyina no about 20% pe na president of the country any oman no any dia 80% e ya ahemfo no dia but to me a ahemfo no omode boss ansase no ho ban tete no
ya je
be sin na mo 20% na be di mo nsem no waje de afiri o nsem but eton ne ede no o sa ko hene na wachechire ne nsa gu na chi na ode se ayi ahoma ne bi achechire ne nan na ode plaster kra tare na no o ka chire o hene se on sori no mra no meboa na asase no ese o hene onye dey o hene ni tumi a na se bi obi di nkwasi asam awo ne community akonta ode sama se Ibrahim fie de be yi nwa no ya je sa tumi ni nyina de afira himfo ne nsam ene o sa kosu afresa o hene ne se o me dey o me dey na o famu
o me dey yaw say no cry e dey na domahin say won ho dey o ye no go area for galam say no cry e dey mbra wo do ye
constitution na no me nso otisi ne community ho no so akwa cheche galam say fo bi odo mu do police station dey asem na mo ka kire no egosi say odo mu do police station no the tumi anu owo so ode kokoche wo mo do mo ko police station kokosi say sankrofo domahin me yen say sankrofo no e ko court be e na mo wo hen
ebi ko di galamo
just for social media pictures no why you twitwa aftermath ekosi say ankosi aga yes ja mo ko mo baby what I say asante
say politicians to me chair on hino
that's it
party
your politicians na di aba be do baby ya akota asema Roman for the igina so dem a working asema Roman for the igina so dem a working kane na nka sofo efro sofo fro say asante ebu e bra wo hu bibi uticheni o kire wade ofro kra se bra
na usuro kra se uticheni ye hu ye teacher sa ne adwane
by ne akwala no hu ni teacher
obapono kra
ene obuo se kra ne wode ma ya sofo
oni ni nyina ko toilet
first no mo ne sofo kra friend na wo tu sofo de wo de
ya be se asante ke ya
sania mana
enema se sign na holiday bi na akwala bi ni teacher akotena ayi on sa bomba la treat de no dan ka akwala de ka o teacher wura kura wo twɛn
o man ye de
sa akwala isu ti wo na teacher ti wo o ma wie se na o mu mienu nyina teacher ni refi ni ho se ni tissue also oje wanye ɛna o ti wo na akwala isu ti wo ebe no be wo se me hu se achepa na ye ni ewu
ye be ni ewu
che say ye be so wo ha na be so ya ma obi akọ
akora na se waka
waka teacher
akota ye gitum
ebuo ni ho bio
akota ye gitum
ba
say
nti amebuo ni influence
edu baby
teacher for ni
esuban ba akota na politicians no munyina no musuban ye
politicians are worse
no munyina no musuban ye enkate bone wo ho ba akota nipa na onye
no
but the bottom line is the politicians clandestinely started some more attacking asofo
yes
or more attacking ahemfo opinion leaders and they've catch them into submission now ugo busa asofo bi o se make can be kasa me NDC me MPP niti
teacher ni na de bi na ekoso
community amasesia no politicians no uko krasia NDC ni a o krom ho o tumi chen wo hene
yes
MPP ni o krom ho ni party of power o tumi chen wo hene
o tumi defy hene ne orders and
o be ya ma party
okona say dia na obebo ohene ne sobo se na ohene ni krom ho
no
nya de
momi anum supa kanji mema ensuo nom owi aye koba ye debate no eda raho ne raho se eda ma ye nsupa no eti wo hu se nkrofo ehunu amane wo nsuo hu se ya ebe ne ya ye trasi biewa ene ye wo debate bi the assembly ne say oh ye sofo wa sorry back kan no tia tie 10 million ne bia wo tia 500 200 after about 2 years I saw the bed ba okuta 20,000 the tight or ba okuta 10,000 ebi mu se da bi e wo se sofo timbu se asori ba se adwuma ben na wo ye nisisi a wanya sa sika no ebi mu se na wo tua tight nyame se wo tua ntutu so do amehira no nyame ehira no enti no wakọ nanim ebi se wo se asofo timbu se asori ba se wo se wanya sika se ira wunya no wai eden na utimitu ya tight e wo se sofu busa ana hu hia se sofu busa ye ko ba be twetwe sa nkomo no eleke
papa
empom to say
nyame adom pacho na
ma ye ni ensu hu nkomo ensupa
asemna na mo kan na madwen hu sa say I don't know how we lost it. The sanctity of human life. We say we are sick. Now, me can say we are sick upstairs. I remember last year thereabout, I had to evict one of our platforms, WhatsApp platforms, because of this same issue. Because ye didn't come on, and guys name say politics now. It is normal politics, and because Debbie, if you defend this act now by a politician, and bear in mind, say politicians, they come out of we the masses.
Yes,
and it means most of us are not correct. And if you're able to defend this action to me degrade the sanctity of human life. Or my name may be say a more platform to say to defend this act in a man and maybe a way crassy, maybe a way crassy, or num sans sui na fe obey yena and answer me cry me would you come to my final? Then you dare not come there. You dare not come. And this year, say I'm doing politics with you. This year, if you go to my Facebook page, Dodnu Samuel Elikem Kujo, it's even more than Erasmus join you, so I did this story. Now, just this week, I posted it. I posted, say, the government of this century, this day, has failed us. Because when it comes to Galamsey, that was your major campaign policy, to come and reset. And the Reverend, why are the pan, or my Reverend, I are the pan. Me dream one, I don't understand. I just don't understand. It's serious. I think within the week, I sent you an audio, WhatsApp. 3 to 4 minutes WhatsApp call. Mini Bruni be na yes I call or a Spaniard. Na ne dey memboni di later and I can disclose it to you. Na or can say Osanso the Ghana Standards Authority. Recently he is into water. Enti oye no they call GSA and oye say omun testimony. But the oye and say or sample 5 top water brands in the country. 5 top water brands. And or they call na all corner or empty from bottles no to say yes our brand here or you different good or you different bottle now are empty into that bottle there or quite any penny na on any GS or penny back up that do you really want to do this, are you sure on any chance that these are the top brands and not say I'm when you listen to the conversation or say mercury level, this cyanide level and these are the waters anything so any no So let us continue polluting and let's drink. When we die, we go. We will go and meet God at the judgment seat. Now, a shepa, a mother home, or my a mother who you ever poor man for Ankasa. And you know, whatever we are seeing now is the handiworks or whatever we are doing. That is the effect. And no paper say a kasa efa kanjin and magic drinking water. Now kanjin, ya can say a so crojin. Me can say a Japanese 4 and I yen so no technology no. A use procedure na process a friend electrolysis. Make us say ABOBTA and worker muna obesia numbers 0241
0241
44
44
91
91
91
91
0241
0241
44
44
91
91
91
91.
Now o mine kanjin in so na san say the electrolysis na producing no anope ye pese ye man crofoti yes enye just the procedure in so na nkasa to me eboa eyi heavy metals every your kidneys mu eyi heavy metals eboa your kidneys no man expel those heavy metals it's cyanide mercury lead and kwasiafo yi ede ye galamsey ewo sa broni so I remember say one time I spoke at the other studio and I was using this same term because the level and not the is serious. I say, how do heavy metals affect the human body? Heavy metals are the oxidative stress. Oxidative stress ne nam so degenerative chronic diseases because it damage DNA cell no. Afei esa damage the cells nkwamoa no the protein damage mpacho ko down kakra mami. Afei esa so damage your organs. Or say accumulation in organs like the liver, kidneys and lungs can cause irreversible damage. Enti no it's irreversible. Untumi reversible. Carcinogenesis. Some heavy metals are known as carcinogens, increasing the risk of various cancers. Now, then, Dr. Otto Warbeck, can have cancer. Also, nipedia alkaline, cancer, pani, yarea, who do it into mintinemu. And Tiano Pay, said, then I just said, in Swahoo, I will know a winachi and answer and winachi. Now, Yagris, one of the slides for why, and Macancer, you be using mostly in our discussions. We a ORP meter. ORP meter and protocol say oxidation reduction potential. Adie no etumi bre oxidation. Adie e winachi. Ye hwe say adie na e winachi and say en winachi. Say e positive there and e winachi but e negative values are and e en winachi e boa ema onipedua no enyini from. Enti first on the list ne ye wo other waters e wo dwaman so. The same ye the ashe first one. Uzumu kakra obon say ubenya
factor me. Waiting 384.
Good. Enti ya the beba second order water no mun so na ino so bacho wa hwe am.
I know they will do 700.
700. Enti chese win cheat dangerously. Na afi ya ba kanje me da 720. Afi hwe kanje no.
Kanje na tiba.
Good.
Aba
enti ebe kwa ra negative mu ebe kwa sa ra negative. I think say when you 100
Kanjin about 100.
Okay.
Asat about 96.
Good.
About 84.
Ebekwa run negative mu good.
That's it.
Enti Kanjin does the opposite of the other waters. Just a heavy metal.
No.
Positive. Yeah. Positive nature.
I better 20.
Ebe run negative figures mu. Or my here obo say e positive a just heavy metals e wo mu heavy metals and ema ade na we na ache o nipedue mu enti without heavy metals you get negative meaning say run negative mu dia
127
good enti obo say ebe run negative figures mu and when you come back to the other waters no e do be go back to the 700 and we feel positive yes just a heavy metals
we two more I drew 5 I drew 6 7.
So this one is not magic. In so I would do nyina amehwe gu a in so I would jama so but one nye test na nkasa na ojama e bia FDA ni GS dia ebe ha adwen because onim so ye jama omo but what are we seeing obi kra to metro on so say me pH 8.5 but abrekra be test na so ni 4 na 3 until me say how Kangen water expels heavy metals ya grade this slight bit too so obi say how does it do it. Maybe I the previous slide. I'll say detox heavy metals with alkaline water. Just say alkaline water it me heavy metals every nipedium. I'll say how maintain an alkaline pH balance by drinking ionized alkaline water. So we maintain pH balance. Now that means you are eating alkaline diet and you are drinking alkaline water. And emre yen suo ni eduane aye di no dodo na enim say alkaline kra nso am the water crops and vegetables no so ehun sem bebrebe. Yen hwe article o my o say lead, cadmium and mercury. Ye hu no turmeric mu. You know Tom Brown I told you almost sample be FDA na the way eba. Ayilo pregnant women ni edi kaji and some skin lightening creams and lotions. Cream cry extra any lotion cry no. You see heavy metals wo msani ame usra ebe permeate with skin membranes no na era omoje mu. Ube won so wo ho say when cancer. Meanwhile enye hereditary. Me patch or say how it will improve your kidney's ability to expel heavy metals. Any alkaline water. I don't mean so to say Kangen energy drinking water. A wow kidney. A money is heavy metals. And then I might be say why? This is the scientific evidence. Or see the kidney's ability say heavy metals is pH dependent. And the say pH no kidney ni pH no say a neutral homeostasis 7. A bit me heavy metals. But here lies the case say in so a war my no a more he cry na neutral. Dodo na ya test be 90%. It say in so how they test ya no pay. Dodo na let's use the pH tester and check. First what I said they are in neutral. We the 2 pH scale now it's around 2. 2 net is the acid in a car battery. When so I say yellowish green, but I know crowd don't who green be yellowish until way worse than this. But when we come to the studio, we test our waters and we let you know no pay IORP, pH test until you realize that we are giving you purely alkaline. Even though we are crying, say galam say hard drain. Ye person o mouth here say Kangen in so is for this times, it's for such times. Oh, si can not bet me out of machine there. You can get the machine we will install for you from 80,000 Ghana cedis. Open so your distributor and so they are very simple. For your office, it was 0241 44 91 91 0241 44 91 91 and now 050 737 94 74. Kangen, yebe brown. So, my mama special shout out to you and major distributor or Takrade. Our number is 0277 70 29 00 0277 70 29 00. In so I told me 30 cities were how quite obey me and less bear 28, bear 29 because of a major distributor or High Street or Harbour Road. May that say Takrade.
Kangen energy drinking water. Send we are CSC corner and there Hussein. Utie father an illustration now. I just say your politicians you're wicked.
And I think it's only a revolution. Only a revolution. Only a revolution.
Anyway, Kingdom Herbal Center. Yeah, the Kingdom Garlic Capsules ne better saba. Bema utie me. I was saying, come on, your ding, or bow, come on, your ding. We are Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters. A stress releaser, anxiety. Oh, what ma say, my dream with you, baby. I feel go to general arthritis. Don't set me yet treaty. Now, fay hypertension, pressure, said to say, stroke, and I do want to form heart disease, cholesterol. Kingdom Herbal. And then the only Kingdom Gallica, a bag Ghana, 15 years, first ever. After your Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, member for your sexual weakness, waist space, mental stress, and for sufficient energy. Until tremendous capsules, so you ever. The modern say bad odor, menstrual disorders, you know, a modia. Fresh 0597298855. 0597298855. Nabi Bianco so Kingdom no challenger. Ye ya toothbrush, ya toothpaste. But what did so benya toothbrush papa. Prince, Princess, Monarch, Duke, Duchess, Nickety brushes. We are no free one man. We have toothbrushes, but to say toothpaste, we say total care toothpaste, whitening toothpaste, and a herbal toothpaste. Yes, toothbrush, yes, toothpaste. Time herbal mixture, and then a capsule, sir. Time HH mixture and capsule, sir. Time HH mixture and capsule, sir. When your time herbal mixture, loss of appetite and general bodily pains, sir. Time HH, so to mean so immune system will form the general well-being. We here, low performance, one person, a man in person. Fred 0244 417 669 0244 417669 Dwabin Rural Bank yɛde Asempa loan aba mo amo edi bojua mo amo dealing textiles auto parts clothing no mne ade abase wo kofa wo niema na wo niema ba wo koyi ho akiro ka ho bra ne mfa Asempa loan tawachi oba pa loan so ma mo ka mo bom traders na yi mo amo ye tre mo amo epamade mo nyina mo ka mo bom na mo bra ne mo ye savings current account fixed deposit microfinance fixed deposit also su that investment Dwabin Rural Bank Joseph Mesa Sepe Roma here the Shemai New Road Etimetima Boaso Bonye onye Dwabin ye headquarters and pay Bomodena Neni Nijuma na bibi anko so 0544 745856 0544 745856 na freye na bibi anko so Noviki Studios one crying Accra Malama Basi First Kokroko Street na dia na wo hono film production photography professional skit na opese utwa opese unya baby a spacious enough obetima your photo shooter ni nyina Noviki Studios RSYD Noviki Studios Accra Malama Basi First Kokroko Street for 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 now for TMO assembly nyina ko wie say 21st clinic e ma to asem twetwe sa emfatao so we aka dem na 21st clinic we are the sciatica experts so over 21st clinic ye de bewura lab ni aye hwehwemu wo mojem ya ye scan na afei ye kana doctors ahwema wo said there be we sciatica wo sciatic nerve waka enti wo say massage wo ye betwitwe kama there be wo de no hia massa wo de no hia bibidro we na bibidro no bi ni ba bia aka 21st clinic enu ntina 15 branches no make come form out brand ye wo sciatic nerve na ho atouch man free ho we are the sciatica experts the number is 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Asante ejako ya bo amawe
ya bra na bra ya na say we anopa yem fuso kakra
ade
say abusuan okote enra
say ye menim say ba be wi
na enra no de manije
mame enna abusuan no mame nyina abusuan na nam ekwo na abusuan pani Elvis Che Kwati Uncle Che ena ekwo na abusuan pani oba ekuaso me ma ekuaso na dama ni nyina ena ko Che so ye abusuan ni nyina ye nyina ya de nyina Paul Osei Kwati eno ana ne na wo tweda me ofanimpon eba so mo beja me ma ne ye fe mo ya de papa
Dr. Baumia ne
Dr. Baumia e wo hono ma na nyante ese on se me ma me enua me nana enua bane ma me Elizabeth Ajiman people's mother
former MP
for the group former deputy regional minister eti me ne no free busia ba kuma e me ma me no ti on ma na Dr. Baumia free busia ne se oba kuma se no we no so o yi okote e no so na one ne ba o man hini kra ne one say ei beba o man hini hu na che nti want me former regional minister Samia Oku Nana Komia Opariansa and lady ya ko adentai
ama
akosia men wo nickname bi omudemano wo mu nyina akabo mu ene edoma eka no ho ene language say nwe
honorable Banahini
former Nsuta Kwamai Banahini so baby o me bo me chi do
say chama wuntumi ni din ba ko aka
Eyemunti Ghana for sorry o now what nurse for no Ghana for munti o Ghana munti na nurse for ye bro
munti suma ye ba be so munti
oh jaba utube na no mi hu che bi ehye no na ti chama na che no so u be di national chama o sisa o dressing
ono abako
che
e na kuma so bako
mi busa no say chama na wuche we dey who be there was so person di national chairman so sound nante any wuche ti dey share no let we dey popo Jama is a very funny wonderful person and I know that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia
doctor so manage pa Edna
me yire me ho kani oh see I was so tawachi I was see what argument I we no tawachi pa no better tawachi
I never knew say no nipa say the may
na nipa be say we share o nyina support
oh na I was shocked because yeah na said you say yire me minute and me
yire wa
and you wouldn't confident and me money
oh so now you better address the bench well
look at the threat
on me to the bench.
Oh my lord! I mean, this is it's unfortunate.
Withdraw.
I've been misconstrued and
I call for a withdrawal immediately.
I withdraw.
I don't pay your trust. Assembly nyina ani. What sorry ba? Otua tight kakra. After 2 years, the title of the ban 20,000, 10,000, 5,000. I was a soft for shall say which and said, Juma Ben now and a winner scout will be dear. And I saw for what the bar pressing. As Antimami shall say, you're running to me more be at 3 minutes. It's 9-6.
I didn't say, and then if I'm Barbara, and you ever call the Barbara because any say, no, we say, my lord, I won't
go ahead. Nobody will be heckled here.
I won't entertain any heckling.
Yes, Asante, go ahead.
What I'm saying is, I didn't have Barbara, and to be beyond, I'll say a coach will him.
Okay.
And you know,
Asante, coach.
On say, trust 7, I can BP, I can't fasa and say my can home. Oko is it Ezekiel?
But you're not making now.
Ezekiel 3:17.
Ezekiel 3:17.
Okay.
Me be ho.
Say nya ho dia na free. I can't be scoot.
Ready as
Ezekiel chapter 3:17.
Okay, 17. Son of man, I have made thee a watchman unto the house of Israel.
Very good.
Therefore, hear the word at my mouth and give them warning from me. 17.
17. Son of man.
May the woman see Israel fear when for.
Very good.
Entity, menumu asem na bo won koko emame.
And he say, "Oh my, we are suffer." One say, "What we twina safo ba no ho. What the kwense ba, unhuni uni di nkomo o. Na adwuma be na ye ma wakani na kiro. Afi edibusu minsia, mami no sorry a 20,000 no dia ba. So for se me nka hwe. Ene na o wasoro ba kwetu galam so discover obeji. Otu galam say ade a ya declare state of emergency. Awo wiase we mu ha. My lord, I mean this is I want your collaboration.
I'm with you. Yes. Go ahead.
Because Yatra ha condemn.
Please allow.
Yatra condemn say galam say.
That's right.
Now what's all about to galam say? What is cabro no aji? We are suffer. I was so yes of I suffer. Omo was suffer man hu hian. Hu ni hunamu.
Okay.
Because you are raising down for the kingdom of God.
Yeah, kingdom of God.
What you say? Ntini kwan say. Wo bu ani gu so na de security bra wunti.
Na oje.
Wo ye suffer. What sorry ba o try 2,000. Afa be minister. O so the 50,000 ba. Ye bo sorry no ye bo afode a na waje abo. No woni age. That you go kwaje. Also cause all friends say mama na wo koye no. Allowance nko a. E de nko na wunya. Na wo suffer hearing di because Ghana has and Kadia de asore and ibetim de asore akọ corruption and ka obi di boni a na de asore di ababatuja ne hu se asore we de oye boni wo mu ayenka eno na didi baba beduru ne ama obi esu enti oman me de me yosofo a one galam se die Ghana fo ajetum se nye menyintum me hu se obo ye ba sibra usika foko mo asore hu because metufo went ya asore no obe bad usika de mesrew because collection no akronkron de aye de ba manyame akira so yes wuri mu so obi ye kronfo otwituo ekwa akonobo na wo yigini sika say no nya na ekọ
nti I was say obusa
I say you have to inquire from the person
adwuma kind of job and the person can lie to you
and the way you adwuma at least
but what dey busa
because Yesu is it Luke chapter 24 verse 1 how baby
Luke 24
is the widow's mite
the widow's mite oh dey go make me be
ubie no hu anya hwe oh dey I think you know the story I don't want to misquote
yeah Luke 24 verse 1 the widow's mite
the story that me if I paraphrase
don't worry
my men no edina sika was in the queens the copper that queens the between sika aka nyina nyame ohu akomemu ka se mo a mokotu galamse
Luke 21 verse 1 to 4
okay
the widow's mite
that's where the story
you're right Asante
you're on point enti no Yesu Kristo di makomem hu se ma me di ne queens wonya le betum na wo mo de wo se de wo manya amana busu a omo fanya hwe na betugu asem Nyankopon oje Nyankopon so kotu galamse first kan bre no sofu bia wasoro betu galamse because ye ko parliament MPs bia etu galamse akotina ho omo to ehye mra mayen MPs be a ministers be both previous and current omo we roman na omo nyanya dibre mo hwe omo sa afa na musu se musu ase e chance so kankan a ye so nipa so obone ho nti omo me de me sofu no to galamse oba me come to my police for answer we see camera asa dey akọ because
thank you very much
and I think
council you are done
I think say said menya good environment in my presentation I will equally
I have given you the best of environment you are not being fair to the bench okay Ejako
my lord I respectfully I submit me sure said the quotation now Asante me kan here no as a man of God no oh yeah overseer of Asorima o mo yedie o mo djuma sem said the esiko se ebekoye enkoye purposely say ebeye adansidia manyame na hye nyame animonyam no wo hunu se wo sofudie na wudi no ampa eno na e reflect wa safoma eso ne Asorima so a o mo die but as to say ebia waba be to 20,000 na straightforward wo ko bisa say wo konya sika ni free he de ho de I feel say
I think he should let his stance be known the way he is trying to make holes in my point I don't like it as a boss support oba ko ayo
na we abobo you crack
oh no say na we dey no o ma go for we on
no, he's making it.
It's about the Bible. He says that.
Allow you to make his
point.
You see, now you are attacking a jack.
No, I mean the way he started from a very good note. Then he is making no. What they are all supporting, who's our own support me? Not myself. But say I say support me. No. He was trying to support the motion.
Go ahead.
My lord, I think say.
So for you, it is a soft busa.
For me, I was so for the first bisa, but not
that be a jacko. Take a stance. Now you are
you say my lord,
take a stand.
I support me. Take a stand. Say I was so for the bisa, but I was so fast so a bisa.
Well, quite about fast word.
And
also
bisa.
Let's be
that is explicit.
I was so pehu. Not so for no say. I'm part me by ya da me dem satono so a bomb pie mano. I pray say the Juma be di. I pray say na brabo and sisa.
Na dey no 1,000. Na no be 20,000. So wo di ye.
Say en America.
We di ye and in church. Share your glory with the man of God. Share it. No Bible in the gospel don't hide.
You are now helping me.
I'm sorry.
Ya kwa mo ni anya te wa. E ba Friday o mabuli o.
I'm sorry.
I don't hear the crowd dey obey you no. The money get wa.
I was so for no pehu no hu say ampa. Nyame ngosra na e wo no so no. Enya nsunsu aso wa sorry man so. Na sorry man so e di ye ekoyi. Because ekoyi na nyame adwuma so be den e be koso. Eti to me there me feel say e was so for e pehu no. No be hunu say ne man nya bibi boni bi no omo ye de pesika no nemum kwan omo nam so enya sika no eye de efiri nyame mu enam nyame kwan so so respectfully me de me feel say e was so for pehunu na safo ma wo mo abrabo say de esi ko say koye say nkoye no e was so pe
yaw
agoda sɔfo nye medwuma no no sɔfo menye HR menye human resource manager sɔfo nye human resource manager wabebusa o say wo source of income no ahwan ne de akota nye bible no a bible no mu an ye na betena ye gira tro no mu kotu de say o paraphrase ni akota nye tro no an ka kire say odebon ye ni wuo nye ne fe
enye ne fe
me wa nye tro no an ka kire say o say nye urade fe nti akota me ye sɔfo a wo ya asawoni na obeto collection amagye oye amroba na beto collection amagye omo amagye omo collection kese pa ye galamsey fo go omo boa me yetimi si asore dan si asore dan nyame fie emanyame betena ho emanyame adwuma etra sempatra no ekoso ema ye senyame die ne wonyam akota odiboye ni wanye urade fe emra Yesu Kristo Zacchaeus na akota no ye archbishop emra Yesu Kristo ko ne fie no na Zacchaeus no yes oye nipa boni ni
tax collector ba no
msi ni modern but ono nipa boni na nipa papa ni krom honom but nipa boni ni fie ena Nyankopon ne doba Yesu okoye ekodidiye ne koto ne koto no jakota sofo de no since when ena sofo be human resource manager ena obi aba sori na oba beto collection a ukobusa dipa ne se e de adwuma na wo ye nti a auto collection 500 Ghana cedis auto collection 1000 Ghana cedis auto collection 2000 Ghana cedis sofo wo adwuma sofo usika ya
adwuma nse
kanyamisem bible no ya Genesis to Revelation sofo working kia wie na esi asori be adwuma wo ye na ukwakobusebusa na wakakotutuna no sofo adai sofo no na dai na je se wo sofo kra no onye trosem ni sa trosem no nya trosem na ka che se yantu ya bodo ngunso na ni na da che se beka
na se obenya nshira
yes watu abodo no obeto 500 Ghana last week obeto abodo no gunso na ni no the following week nyakopo esra no amonya 10,000 wase me the 1,000 ba beto collection what as akonta osade tu mu no nya abodo no oto 1,000 gum nya abodo en ko nya ne ayo wasam abodo no ko nya ne abodo za ko yo tu ya na de bia ba abodo ya so for e ba sa akra wonu awurade wo nyankopɔ eni
se wo
hira se nyankopɔ gusu hira akonta me ka kokko me ka mpampa me ka mpampa o and I started tight 10 cedis 10 cedis 20 any ade nyame hira me na sofo mabasa me to tight me ba betua tight ayi 1,000 Ghana
papa no what be
branches me bia bi wo Kumasi me bia bi wo Nkran me bia bi wo Tamale me bia bi wo wa me kampampa o koko auza koko me de any special
na se me tom pampa no ano no
me sofo e wadwuma se me pampa ne mu ode se munye de e wo wasem se si kire wo se si kire milk wo e wo wasem o de order se sofo obegina ho no waka John 3:16 waken Kenya me asem a kire me na mato me college na me kom ba bie uye police ni uye judge uye lawyer akuta sofo me tese me de se de me kan me ye sofo a omo a meje omo collection pa
ya galam say
this is
no say because obi ba
akuta so a minor as to say oya galam say no oya no nsuo so oya no forest me amfa me ho wo so oya minor ebi kro oya adwuma ma Newmont ejemasam
this man of God
ebi kro Newmont for na omoto omo concession kakra ma o e na odidi ho akuta me na me nko gira concession so nko hwese nsuo da ba bia ansa na majo collection no akuta na me kono me koto am na mu na me wu a na nyame adwuma ntima anya awie o akuta media mi asofo a galamsey for collection meje
ya o ta kase galamsey dia
unimo
unim se oye galamsey akuta so oba no kase bia oye small scale miner eno no dia unim se
akuta ye dia in a local palace enim so mu nyina galamsey for ta ne kanu akuta yes
ta ne kanu but ebi a wo sofo no wadi nkomo se
my lord you are trying to reposition his voice was you a gentleman you can no kwa ba usika
akuta me say wo ya amroba oba meje collection
very good
wo ye asawoni oba meje collection no wo ye galamsey ni oba meje collection
no nam so ya kanya me asaba cha na sacha
me ti akra me rade wo to collection no a wo to collection no da ko beba na afei asamu abeka no aso dem na beto akoma so obekọ sa amrobri no nya bio ba wo ba ya mepam wo no Oba ya me pamon. Unsi aso dem obio. Echina mete yesi eyam roba no a no ba asore ha say no. Ya wakowia de am ya bunu akuno. Odeboye ni wo susu nya Awurade fe. But kame so no so asore dem a. Oh oba nya hwe ni age collection no. Madani aka. Tinani ka no. Social vices be a all ya ensem fatan gradually obon say mami nyai na de we se ne sofo kan ye o kan word we o kan we na akota agire se de obon say apem ne baako ne wajai iti me media me sofo a am robbers megewom ejom college ajom tight asawfo megewom college ajom tight
ma me dey bad this no
om ne besi aso die akota ya aso de agalam say fo won bebrebe ne fe
happy birthday to all your microphones are off. Let me finish the bed. Gloria Say of New Jersey, USA, from Murphy. Happy birthday to you. Jennifer Amoa, personal assistant to Subin MP. Hey, Jenny, from Kuku of Sompa. Jenny, you're looking yummy and beautiful. Mr. Alan Trematin, leader and founder of Movement for Change. Chief, happy birthday to you. Incoming. Who was incoming? And on incoming there. Yeah. Nana Kuyakasiwa of Atonsu Ago Hospital and CEO of Keska Fabric Atonsu. Wow, Keska Fabric Kampa. From Nana Yabuama of Sompa TV to you, Keska Fabric. Happy birthday, my dear. Emmanuel Yabuachi of YFM. From your friends at Sompa. Jeremiah Obeng. Hey, Jeremiah. And Jeremina Obeng, they are twins. Of Oniwa International School. From your mom, Obapa Evelyn. Owunta. Happiest birthday to Osei Turendorf of Immaculate Heart of Mary School. From Inogosei Bonsu. And then happy birthday to Mrs. Rita Usu, a.k.a. Mama Joa. CEO of Bridal Palace, KJTR Dubai, from Fosti of UK, Bernice, and Ya Grace of Sompa. Mama Joa and Emma Trinkwa. Happy birthday to you. Okay, join us on the line and let's hear what you also think. Was a sofo ebusa no bonchiremu no hunumu. Ana say enya sofo adwuma. Join us on the line. 0551931931 0548931931. My yentie wo brahoma no so na also yentie also adwenkyere 0551931931 05489319. Hello, good morning. Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Yes, sir. Why nie?
I'm telling you what.
Yo, my yentie wa no pay.
Ana pay the ya bo ma me ni nya dwe baako. Ya bo ma di guarantee for kan we be any asewo for ho. An we be wa fa ne say guarantee no e mo ko go di aka an we be so. Ya bo ma se sama no si.
Okay, Mate. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Pacho why nie?
Christian.
Okay, Christian, my yentie.
Me yabo manya je me ya mini pa no nso na dia me ne nya je se adwuma ni nkoya
meet you.
Se adwuma ni nkoya wo friend bu se sa den adwuma ni nkoyi na wo bom pa ye ma no aba ne koso nti sa na no me koso o twa ni bumbum a yeso ti me friend no.
Okay, Mate. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho my yentie.
Bajo, the opinion of Wama Ekano, what kind Deuteronomy chapter 23, verse 18.
Pacho Mantil Casani.
The opinion of Wama Ekano, what kind Deuteronomy chapter 23, verse 18.
And Deuteronomy 23, verse 8. Ezekiel also Casa. Okay.
At least there was
members in me. I was so okay.
Deuteronomy 23 verse 1.
Ɔsi sɛ.
Ɔsi yɛ de bɛɛ mɛtwa yɛ de tu apɛkyɛ ne bɛɛ mɛtwa ɔnkɔ awurade bɛdwam. Nti sɛ mɛmɛ kɔ asɔre nyanya ayi asɔfo nda gate na ɔmo kyɛ kɔ ɔmo hwa. Ɛne ɔmo kɔte investigate. Akuta, what is this? Akuta, Deuteronomy 23 verse 1. Ɔsi deɛ ne bɛɛ mɛtwa. Any day ya pɛkyɛ so a ɛnkɔ awurade bɛdwam. Akunta henceforth asɔfo ni nyina asɔre gate ya no bɛma bi a yɛntwa no kɔte no wɔn wura asɔre dɛ bɔ
that was
that's
the era.
Any kwanse sɛ nipa no wura asɔre dɛm sɔfo kyɛkɛ no so wonim nipa akunta yɛntwa ɔmo kɔte ɛwɔ kurom ha a ɔmo kɔ asɔre ebi kura di sɔfo.
Deuteronomy 23:1. He that is wounded in the stones and had his privy member cut off shall not enter into the. What has it got to do with this?
Iti kone ko jina so den gate na no na so
si ye twa ya mo ma ne ngo
mo nwura so den mo
na se wantima ne sa mo be hew sika
mo be hew sika sam
okay hello good morning
o di Deuteronomy ba na only your Deuteronomy papa we pa
macho hello good morning
when you back up at TV na yes sense and man o ti o no kotu
macho obi wa ho ma no so yaw hello
good morning
good morning macho me etiu
macho because no so no papa wo fia
Obani bacho ye ntwari tia e wo se sofo busam ana ehu hia enye sofo adwuma e wo so busam hello good morning
why
me bacho why ni
de wadiasi be kase fia frame Pastor John
ye
Bible say diani ti say ja sema e say na meduma sa na media o go pa e manipa kra o be ka se sofo na se meduma ko so bu ja se bi adwuma o go pa e say na menu e be se na ko bon pa e ma ko amro ba ko ti obi ntia ko ti go am se do bi ko ti wu a o ayi nya meduma yi e fa cho yi film o man
e ti asem no say sofo o se obusem me bo a
very good I was adwuma
okay
yes
hello.
Hello.
Me pa cho wan ni. Please silence. Pa cho my entiu.
Me pa cho me support the
Yaw. Ma kasa.
He's not getting any vote.
The microphones are off. Hello, please go ahead, entiu.
We try, and the so here in Sikkim. This is something to me, and more Mr. Potia.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Pacho.
Hello. So di asante
hello, good morning. Mary Magdalene. Hello, yes, Pacho. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho, when you? Upon me and you.
The master, you know, family. I'm perceiving with that. You can't say.
Busa yetio.
Me pass my name because me pass here. I said, "Sana juma woye." Na serve you what you say.
Okay, Matiwasi. Hello, good morning.
Busa yetio.
Pacho wanye.
Me pass my name because me pass here.
Pacho, what be you TV no kase adwom no why?
Hello.
Yes, hello, Pacho wanye.
Mekacho Mr. Rebonto. Mekacho new chance.
Yo, come on, some me and you and no pay. Hina Wujina.
Mekacho say title say I saw the man in Kuya. So for the announcement, I saw them say maintain the title in Kenya. I do not say ba. I didn't know the call share one. A human chair. I feel the eba.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, man. But your mom into you no pay.
Not of me, not once on the time. Now the good time is my friend here. Or mine, you do not have a force.
Mo. Hello, good morning.
Software.
Pacho Maminti, good morning. Yo, me don't focus.
Me Pacho me
Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm Pacho me and you.
I just very Emmanuel be free here, Sophia.
Yo, Emmanuel.
I'm a pastor and also to be said you might may tell a pastor because matter we know so I can see here. You're back for JBR or no we had the new show.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, necessary.
Me Pacho wine ye.
Me Pacho FM me cause free and top also.
Yo, Kawas.
Neru are for no more top also be cry wa me now me get see. It is a me this number even the
hold on. So for no obusa na ni so obusa.
Any cause obusa. Now obusa say.
Sa voter we dey akota dey we hear no wa anya dey.
My dey.
Dey be akota. What is so for krawo? Galamsey pit.
Gala out no dey give come on. Hello, good morning.
Akota itimiji concession ma wa. Ope. Akota.
Hello, Omai.
Abana no ya hidro. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Omai.
Pacho.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, Pacho Kasa.
Mr. Abegafo ni ko na duru yeso.
Duru so Kasa. Kasa.
Omai na odi share be ni go do ni so number 1.
Odi share Kasa.
Yo. Atembi jampo dia atembi pro Omai ne. Na me kwa sare pa na da bi asofo be preach na o ka se. Onye communicant who asofo entime ma mesio. This will tuni pa mo ba besio. Sofo Kasa ase mo Omai ne. Ja sare no ko. Na mamen ka tem we enso o idea no so abra na nyamen ko fo bi eja me na mo ko wura o jamanfo bi o mfere we have me dem ma o de na etie ya no e bi no mo ni so we jamani enso o mo nya be bi buburu bi anyane ampote enso na eje wo mo
eti at the end of the day elisa so for bisa
ba na ma ko ti galamisi so for ni kwa so be bisa me
vote ni bo se ma ke 10
final vote. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Kasa yeti feel akota. Pacho yeti openi.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Mr. Makonta de me be president me fe baby ashe. Yaboama. Why do you move draw?
Mo
bi asofo ni mi fi o be busa madwuma ame yesai.
Mo sofu ni mi fi adwuma de o pese
o be busa adwuma ame yesai.
Sofu ni mi fi madwuma de o pese o hu.
Now here are the votes.
Yeah, Marini. Yeah. Me mani nye say. Mani nye say.
Ye wie ye no. Ya bo ma enya enkron. Asante ebo ane ejako nyansia.
Mo.
My Lord, this is the election. There is need for recap. The processes.
Hold on.
The processes is very suspicious.
Which process?
And I mean, there was lack of transparency. I mean, my polling agent has given me the information that the way a manner Then all of a sudden, the election was a landslide, and it turned around. I could see that there was some chemicals in the air. Chemicals in the air. Yeah. And I will not. In fact, on my debate say, I never question we say. Extra will say the mindset of the people. Nipana Jumeba, Nipana Junior. On said mindset. Oh no.
It is not about mindset. Oh yes, sir. You will be taking
no
swipe at
not the swipe. Not the swipe. Let me can say. It tells you say the people behind you. Oh, see, they don't care about this anything. All that they care is about money. And don't never be do that. So is it telling you say if you bang and say right now? If you bang and say now. One call don't broke. Oh, what can you now? Who here no? So for who here? Bad voting system.
Abuja for one say. Ya ni musi awa.
Semo ngomba wa fe usika.